Hello students, and welcome back in another video of class 8 in which we have already discussed about synthetic fiber and of course natural fiber, about monomer, about polymer. If you haven't watched that video, go back and watch that video so that you will make yourself more comfortable here, and this video will just put more impact over your mind. So students, types of synthetic fiber. There are many types of synthetic fiber like rayon, like nylon, polyester and acrylic. So students, we are going to discuss it one by one. First is rayon. Rayon, it is mainly known as artificial silk and prepared by cellulose. Cellulose is present in wood pulp of many plants, for example cotton plants. And actually that wood pulp is waste. So we use that wood pulp in making rayon. So it comes from cotton and softwood pulp and from other vegetable matters. It is also known as artificial silk. So it is very luscious, it is very comfortable, and one more thing, it is cheap too. Because pure silk is around, it starts from 5,000 to 6,000 range. But this you can say rayon means artificial silk starts from nominal price like 800, 1,000, 1,500. Got it? Okay. So by which method this rayon is prepared? It is by two methods, viscous method and the second one is what? Acetate method. In viscous method, first we extract what? Cellulose from plants and then convert it into a thick viscous liquid by soaking it into sodium hydroxide. The formula of sodium hydroxide is NaOH, N capital, A small, resembling sodium. Hydroxide means OH, O capital and H of course capital. Okay, next is this solution is dried into sheets, means all these solution get dried into sheets. Later on, that sheets got crumb, means like breadcrumbs. We just break down the breadcrumbs and make its fine powder-like structure. These crumbs treated with carbon disulfide and dissolved in ammonia. Total this process is known as xanthulate. Thick viscous solution is formed. Again, thick viscous solution is formed and that viscous solution is passed through spinneret. But before passing through spinneret, it first confirmed by the you can say by the factoryman or by the producer that these processes took place in a correct way. Next is viscous solution passed through fine holes of spinneret and produce filaments, means white filaments. Those white filaments are treated with dilute what? Sulfuric acid. Formula of sulfuric acid is H2SO4. H2 S capital, O capital and then lowercase 4. So for after treating it for 24 hours, we get white pure rayon fiber which further dyed easily, and we get a good quality of rayon which we lack in acetate process. So here is the diagrammatic you can say presentation of viscous process. So again same things. So just go through this, pause this video, watch this again and again and just fit it in your mind. Got it? Okay. Next is acetate process. In acetate process, cellulose is treated with acetate and turn into rayon, but the resultant wasn't good. That's why many producers just drop this method. Next is what are the properties of rayon? Why we human beings like very sophisticated to make this rayon fiber? Why we are not depend only on pure silk? First is it is easily dyed. Like it can be dyed into any color. Any color means like mixture of color, like one color. And second thing, it is good absorbent of sweat. If you wear this, it absorbs sweat from your body very easily. It is lustrous and as silk, and one more thing, it is cheap also. What are the uses of rayon fiber? Uses of rayon fiber is in dress material. Second, curtains. We have good curtains. Next is upholstery for luxury cars. जो sitting spongy you can say place होती है, जो seats होती हैं, उसको भी किससे बनाया जाता है? From rayon. Automobile tires. As such, this is very strong. That's why we use rayon in automobile tires. Magnetic audio tapes. Magnetic audio tapes, if you have heard about previous cassettes, there we have audio tapes, like reel we can say. Then mixing with fiberglass used in helmets. If we mix this with fiberglass, then we can use it in helmet. Next is nylon. Nylon was developed by Wallace H. Carothers. And why this nylon word is there? Ny for New York and Lon from London. Got it? So combination of New York and London means where it is mostly used, and you can say first mainly developed. As such, this Wallace belongs to America and he introduced nylon in all over the world. Means he just discovered nylon. Characteristics of nylon. Nylon is polyamide synthetic fiber of amide amino acids. Amide amino acid means those proteins. Look, what we eat get digested into, means that protein digested into amino acids. Got it? Next is, it is strongest synthetic material molded into any shape. You can mold it into any shape. Like whatever shape you prefer, you can mold it. Next is, it is toughest elastic material and light in weight. Look what we want. We want cheap, light and toughest, means which is long durable. It has tensile strength. Tensile strength means what? Means you can stretch it, again it will not break down easily. It resists oil, grease, fungus and other pests. Whatever come in contact with the nylon, it doesn't get infected because of that, means because of microbial actions. It is slightly water absorbent but it dries quickly, hence it is easy to wash and dry. It is not as much sweat absorbent as rayon was, but it dries easily and easy to wash. These are the mainly uses of nylon. First is reel thread. Reel thread means you can say that manja, that patang wala manja is also made up of nylon. Ropes for rock climbing. जो you can say adventurous persons होते हैं, आप लोगों में से भी होंगे कुछ, उनको रॉक क्लाइंबिंग का बहुत शौक होता है. रॉक क्लाइंबिंग में भी ये रोप्स यूज करते हैं. और इवन आप लोग कैंपिंग पे गए हो, ठीक है, उस पे भी ये यूज होते हैं फॉर बाइंडिंग दैट तंबू. ओके, फाइबर्स फॉर फिशिंग लाइन. दैट फिशरी नेट इज मेड अप ऑफ नायलॉन. नेट्स जो आपके घर में मच्छरदानी होती है वो भी किससे बनी होती है? नायलॉन. सीट बेल्ट्स, सीट बेल्ट स्ट्रेचेबल होता है, आप उसको स्ट्रेच करो, क्या वो टूटता है? नो. साड़ीज, नायलॉन साड़ीज आर हाईली इन यूज. Umbrella covers means that top layer of umbrella is made up of nylon. Swimsuits, because as it is less water absorbent, that's why, and it dries easily, that's why we use it in swimsuits. Okay, next synthetic fiber is polyester. Students, these are some properties of polyester. Like when look, maybe when you will come to school very soon, then I will just show this experiment in front of you. When we mix alcohol and any organic acid, like you can say acetic acid means vinegar, got it? When you react these two together, a very fruity smell like ester is produced. So when polymer made from ester, then it is called polyester. Poly from polymer, ester from that ester. Polyester is also known as terylene. Got it? Polyester come under brand name Dacron and Terran. Means By which brand we recognize them? By Dacron and Terrain. Polyester is as soft as knitting wool and hard as, means they have both qualities. As soft as knitting wool means that with that wool you can knit your sweaters and all, and as hard as sheets like glass. Polyester blended with cotton, wool or silk to form polycot. बहुत सुना होगा आपने, like mixed cotton is known as polycot, polywool, polysilk. Got it? It is easily washable and crease resistant. Means आप इसको wash करके सुखा दीजिए, आपको प्रेस करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. ये आलसियों के लिए सबसे अच्छी चीज है. Okay, next is it is highly elastic and resistant to pests and chemicals. अगर आपको ऐसे कपड़े लेने हैं जो आप सालों साल पहनते रहें, so just go for this polyester and you will get pest resistant and chemical resistant also. Got it? But okay, fine, nothing. These are the uses of polyester, means in cushions and that whatever filling we fill in these cushions, quilts, and in clothes also. So, fabric and clothes, and hence suitable for shirting, suiting, saris and draperies. Draperies means these curtains, these loose curtains. Like what styling के लिए use होता है that curtains. Got it? Polyester is used with fiberglass for molding helmets. ये same property किसकी थी? ये same use किसका था? Yes, do comment in the comment section. Okay, magnetic tapes, audio and video cassettes and even floppy disks are made from polyester. Got it? Okay, next is acrylic. The properties of acrylic, like सबसे पहले मैं आपको बताती हूँ, आपने advertisement जरूर देखा होगा. टू पीपल्स होते हैं, एक क्या करते हैं अपने घरों को एक्रेलिक पेंट से पेंट करवाता है, दूसरा नॉर्मल करवाता है. तो वहां पे जाकर के माइट भी ये दीपिका पादुकोण एंड रणबीर कपूर का है आई थिंक. ओके, सो उनका क्या होता है दैट स्पॉट्स होते हैं, वो स्पॉट्स इजीली रिमूव हो जाते हैं. व्हाई? बिकॉज उनके घरों में एक्रेलिक पेंट होता है. एक्रेलिक पेंट अगर हम एक्रेलिक को अगर पेंट के साथ मिक्स करें तो वो वाटर रेजिस्टेंट हो जाता है, मतलब वाटर उस पर टिक ही नहीं पाएगा, कोई स्पॉट उस पर टिक ही नहीं पाएगा. ठीक है. सो प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एक्रेलिक, इट इज हाईली सॉफ्ट वूल लाइक फाइबर विच इज मार्केटेड एज सिंथेटिक बेबी वूल. सिंथेटिक बेबी वूल लाइक जो आप सॉफ्ट टॉयज खरीदते हैं उसमें भी ये फिल किया जाता है. इट इज मेड अप इनटू हार्ड ग्लास लाइक ट्रांसपेरेंट शीट विच कुड बी कलर्ड और मेड इनटू फॉगी शीट. लाइक जो ब्लर शीट्स होती हैं वो भी आपके घरों में भी लगी होती हैं, कुछ ऐसे ब्लर शीट्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वन मोर इज देयर, ऑफिसेज में भी ये यूज होता है. ठीक है. इट इज ड्यूरेबल, लाइट इन वेट एंड वॉशेबल. इट इज वेरी ड्यूरेबल, वेरी लाइट इन वेट एंड इजीली वॉशेबल. ये तीन प्रॉपर्टीज तो सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी होती है इन एनी सिंथेटिक फाइबर. इट कैन बी डाइड टू एनी कलर एंड स्टेन रेजिस्टेंट. वेरी इजीली आप इसको डाई कर सकते हो, दैट्स व्हाई तो आप इसको ऐड करते हो पेंट में. एंड स्टेन रेजिस्टेंट है ये. इट इज रेजिस्टेंट टू मॉथ्स. इवन कोई भी इंसेक्ट अगर आकर के इस पे एक्ट करने की कोशिश करता है सो इट जस्ट रेजिस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स इनबिल्ट प्रॉपर्टी. सो हियर आर द यूजेस ऑफ acrylic fiber, acrylic as fiber and sheets. Where we use it in blankets, for pillows, for quilts, for many other things. Means that filling, that you can say a different type of cotton wool जो रुई हम fill करते हैं वो बनती है from acrylic. Acrylic sheets are used for window panes and glass box. जो glass box होते हैं, जैसे आपने एक टम्बलर खरीदा, ग्लास टम्बलर, अब वो एक बार गिरा पर टूटा नहीं because of it is made up of acrylic. Acrylic sheets are used as cover on automobile lights. ऑटोमोबाइल लाइट्स में जो आगे के कलर्स हो, जो आगे के कवर होता है, ठीक है, वो भी किससे बना होता है? एक्रेलिक, बिकॉज इट इज वेरी 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 ड्यूरेबल. इट इज मिक्सड विद पेंट्स. ये मैंने आपको बात पहले बता दी है. ठीक है. एक्रेलिक पेंट्स, फाइन एंड क्लियर एक्रेलिक आर यूज्ड फॉर लेंसेज, लाइक दोज लेंसेज विच आर फाइबर लेंसेज. उसमें भी कौन यूज होता है, क्या यूज होता है? एक्रेलिक. लाइक्रा एंड स्पैंडेक्स, ये आपका लास्ट है ऑफ दिस टॉपिक. बेटा लाइक्रा, अब आपने स्विम सूट्स देखे हैं, स्विम सूट्स बनते हैं किससे, लाइक्रा से, बिकॉज इस पे वाटर टिक नहीं पाता एंड ये इजीली ओके। इस बार डांस प्लस का जो सीजन था उसमें एक बंदा आया था, वो अपनी शर्ट को, टी शर्ट को फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम स्ट्रेच कर ले रहा था। Why? Because that t-shirt is made up of lycra. It is highly expandable and it has that ability to regain its original shape. Got it? So ये dancers, swimmers इन सब के थ्रू ज़्यादा use होता है, like in t-shirts and all. Okay? I really hope that you just enjoyed this video and learned lots and lots from here. So thank you and wait for my next video.